Here's how you can get listed on Google My Business. So first you want to go to google.com and then /business. Once you search that, you will see this right here. Now here it's in Dutch, so I'll go to this one. And from here you want to click Manage Now. Now here, to get your business discovered on Google Search, Maps and more, enter a few business details, starting with your business name. So then just click Create a Business with this name and then click Continue. Then choose your business type, so is it online retail, local store or a service business. Then click Next, and then enter a business category. Then again go and click Next. And now where do you serve your customers? This is optional, so I'll just skip this one. Then what region is your business based in? So just select the country right here and click Next. Then what contact details do you want to show to customers? So a phone number is necessary and a website is optional. Then you can put your business on the map so you can get discovered by people in your area, respond to reviews for your business and manage your business details across Google. So you can choose to tick both of these boxes or one of them and then just click Continue. Now you will need to verify it, so first enter your mailing address to verify. Now you can also click Verify Later and then your business will be verified later. Now here add your business hours, so what days are you open, and then you can select at what times you are open. For example, you could even choose 24 hours and then click Next. Then here add a description of your business, so let customers learn more about your business, write it right here, or you can skip it, and add any photos of your business right here. For example, if you have an online store, you could have some pictures of the store from the outside so that people can find it easier. So I'll just click skip for this one, and now you can actually claim your $500 advertising credit, which means that you can advertise for free worth up to $500. So that means that you can rank high or even at the top on Google. So you can click claim your credit to get that. And then you can just set up a campaign. Now you can get a custom domain name for your website and a custom email address, but I'll skip this one. Now your edits will be visible once you are verified, so again, you will need to be verified. Now in order to get verified, if you did skip it, you can just click Get Verified, and from here just follow these steps again. So now you know how to get listed on Google My Business. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.